All right, so here we have this little magnetic carabiner that holds two. You can hold two things on it. Here we have everything came in its own little package, but we have this little carabiner part. These bags are diabolical. All right. We have this little magnet part. You hold these two buttons and it pops right out. Sorry about that. Pops right out. As you can see, it is locked into place. You can't pull it. You have to hold these two buttons and then pull. But it is magnetic. So do it again. Boom. So they lock in pretty well. So you, like I said, you have to hold the buttons. Even then, it is a little. It's the strength. The magnetic strength is really, really good. So you have that. Then it comes with two rings. So you can put the rings on here and then put this on the carabiner. So you'll have that just like that.